What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the best, most comfortable convertible bras out there. I'm going to share with you guys exactly what sets this bra apart from all the rest, the technology behind it, why I like the bra, and I'm also going to share with you guys how this bra looks with different tops. So if you guys are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate the support. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. So today's video is in collaboration with UpBra. Thank you so much to UpBra for partnering with me for this video. So for size reference, I wear a 34C. So this is the convertible up bra in the color white. I'm actually wearing the color nude. You have one hook up here at the front cup, and then you have two hooks right here in the back. Pull the straps apart and you adjust your grills. Since this bra has this cushion that kind of pushes forward, pushes your grills together. It's not stiff. It's definitely not a bra where it feels like it's padded. Have different hooks where you can attach the strap to your liking. So if you want more cleavage, you pull the straps, figure out how much lift you want to give the girls. So it really pushes it together, and then what you do, once you kind of figure out, you hook it, just kind of adjust them a little bit. So generally this is how much I like to push up the bra. It really just depends on your preference. I also really like the shape of this bra. I find that this gives me the right amount of coverage, and when I pull the straps, I'm not overflowing on one side. Honestly, I feel like my girls look snatched when I'm wearing the tops. They feel comfortable, they feel lifted, and I absolutely love the way how this bra is shaped. It just conforms to my body, and I'm honestly a really big fan of this bra. For this top, I'm just wearing the bra with the two straps. This tank top, I'm using the two straps. Crisscross the straps in the back. In my opinion, I feel like the Up Bra is one of the best bras out there that's comfortable, that gives you support, and the best thing about it is that it doesn't feel stiff. This is so just smooth, so it looks very seamless under any shirt that you wear. Plus, I really enjoy the fact how you can wear this bra many different ways. UpBra was super generous, and they provided a $10 off coupon off your entire purchase. I'm gonna put that right up here on the screen. As always, I'm super appreciative if you guys use the coupon code and also the link below. So please leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on the UpBra. Have you guys tried it out? I would love to get your feedback. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn those post notifications, hit all to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy that playlist as well. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.